Good afternoon, students. Today we will be learning about classification of business. As you all know, there are two classifications of business. It is classified under industry and it is classified under commerce. Now let us have a discussion on industry in details. Okay, so industry means a place or an activity where the raw materials are converted into finished products. Now, what do you mean by finished products or goods? Finished products are those goods or processed goods which can be used by the consumer directly. Okay, so raw materials are being converted into finished products in the place which is known as industry. Now, industry has different classification, mainly three types: primary industry, secondary industry, and tertiary or service sector industry. Okay, now primary industry are those industry which are basically engaged with the extraction of natural resources. Okay, like mining industry, then dairy industry, farming industry, all these are related to primary industry. And primary industry can be classified under two heads: extractive industry, which are mainly engaged in extraction of natural resources, and genetic industry, which are mainly engaged in rearing of cattle or the living species. Okay, so basically there are this primary industry is the basis of supplying the raw materials for secondary industry. Now we will learn about secondary industry. Now, secondary industries are those industries which uses the raw materials from the primary industry and converts them into finished products or into consumer goods. Now, consumer goods are those goods which can be used in daily life by us, like any eatables, any soap, detergent. Then consumer goods can be also in the form of furniture, car, etc. Okay, and the second classification of goods are industrial goods. Now, industrial goods are those goods which are used for production of other finished products. Like for example, if I give you an example of machinery. So machinery is a industrial good. Why? Because it is used in production of other types of goods or other type of consumer goods. Okay, so secondary industry has two types of classification: manufacturing industry and construction industry. Manufacturing industries are being again classified under different heads, which we will be looking now. Now, the first classification of manufacturing industry is analytical industry. Analytical industries are those which breaks the raw materials into simple things like processing of crude oil into petroleum or other useful products. Then comes synthetic industry. Synthetic industry combines two or more material to manufacture some new product, like mixing of various chemicals to produce soap or detergents, then mixing of various other natural resources like iron ore and other minerals to produce steel. Okay, then comes the processing industry. Processing means converting the raw materials into a useful product. Okay, now children, in processing industry there are various stages of productions which finally converts the goods into a finished product or into a usable form. Like for example, we have textile industry. In textile industry, what happens? The cotton is being processed into the clothes. Okay, so then you have sugar industry. In sugar, the sugar cane is being processed into sugar. So this is the main job of processing industry. Then is assembly industry. Assembly industry means it assembles or combine various parts of a product to make a single product. Like for example, if I take mobile phone, in mobile phone industry, what happens is various parts as a raw material comes and it is assembled or put together in a certain industry, and then the final mobile phone is being given to the customer. So assembling or assembly industry is engage in assembling of products. Now till this much I hope I am clear. If anyone has any doubt, kindly tell me. Thank you all.